Hi everybody, I'm Amy and today I'm going to be speckling this cotton floss and this cotton Aida. Now I've put this cling film down just to help protect my surface a little bit. I don't want the dye going everywhere. I'm going to be dyeing this with some Lavender Fibre Reactive Dye from Dharma Trading, and it's mixed with some soda ash here, which will hopefully help me to go a little bit lighter on the speckling. Now these have been soaking in soda ash and a water solution for probably been about 30 minutes or so. There's a couple of heavy splotches there. There we go. Now I'm going to flip these over and see the back. I've got no idea how it's going to work on this red Aida. I don't know if the red is just too dark to take the dye, but there you go. I think that's probably enough. I'm really trying to restrain myself. Now I'm just going to fold this. And a great thing about cotton dyeing is that it doesn't need any heat to set the dye, it just needs time. So I'm going to just leave this, it needs to stay damp. I'm just going to leave this and for about 6 hours or so. Ooh, oh, this is really pretty. If you can see on the cotton, the purple's breaking into the blue and the red that it's made of. Can't really see on the red Aida. That's a bit it's a bit dark at the moment, but hopefully we'll have some really pretty cotton and Aida when this is all finished. Here is our finished Aida and cotton floss. I'm really happy with how this Aida's turned out. You can't really tell that it's purple dye that I used. It looks more black against the red, but I'm really happy I was able to capture some of these tiny little speckles, and there's quite a lot on this side, and I think that's because mixing the dye with soda ash just helped me not be quite so heavy-handed with the dye. But what I'm really happy about is this floss. This was a big surprise. You can see that the purple dye has broken into the red and blue colours that it's made of, and it's created some lovely tiny speckles here, but also there are some lovely purple patches as well where the dye didn't break. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please click like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I aim to produce a new dyeing tutorial every week, and I do love to play with different fibres, different methods, different dyes, so every week there will be something different. Thank you so much for watching.